Ano nga yung mga roles nyo sa kids church?
Sit in your chair properly. Remain seated during snack time. Listen to the teachers and obey them. Raise your hand if you want to say something. No running around the room. Share the school materials because sharing is good. Be kind to one another. Form a line and wait for your parents.
Sinusunod mo naman lahat yan.
No running to the room.
Sinusunod mo naman lahat. O merong medyo nahirapan ka na sundin?
Paminsan-minsan lang.
Ano din yung nahirapan ka na sundin?
Ganon.
Yung sitting? Hindi naman. Hindi ka naman nahirapan na mag-remain seated. Saan ka nahirapan?
Yung ano yung be kind to one
Be kind to one another?
Sa buhok.
Bakit naman?
Sabi ko dati ipit mo yan sa buhok. Kasi